Have you ever wondered how recruiters skim through your resumes when you're applying? So, this is a sample of that, just to give you an idea of how recruiters, HR personnel go through your resume. So, this guy says, not sure if he's really the one that set this up, pero sabi niya, I set up a hidden eye tracker on recruiters to see exactly where they look when reviewing a resume. As someone who also does talent acquisition. So I also look at resumes, I also do interviews, and yes, this is true. Since we go through hundreds of resumes per job application or per position, we really need to skim through this fast because if not, it's gonna take up a lot of our time. So this is really how we look at it. That's why it's very important na ATS friendly or very simple, direct to the point yung mga resumes ninyo. Hindi pwede na very colorful, yung ganyan. Ako minsan naiintindihan ko or madali ko din ma-skim yung parang may dalawang, yung parang merong manipis dito sa side tapos nandito sa kabila yung buong resume. Yung parang nakalagay dito yung mga tools na alam nila yung mga ganyan. So, okay lang din yon. Pero this is also perfect. So, as you can see, yung position ninyo tinitingnan, anong company, and then it goes through kung ano yung mga first words na sinasabi ninyo. So, dun, kaya very important talaga na dapat dun pa lang sa first word ng bawat bullet point ng description ng previous work experience ninyo, impactful na yung words na ginagamit ninyo. Okay? So, also, always, ganito lang. Hindi natin kailangan ng sobrang creative na resume because if you are under the creatives, you have a portfolio to show that side. Pero when it comes to your resume, especially now with the rise of AI, kadalasan AI tools na yung ginagamit to review resumes. So you have to make sure na AI-friendly and easy to understand yung resumes ninyo. So this type of resume is perfect. If you want a similar look, all you have to do is go to the link in my bio. I have free downloadable templates for you, resume templates for you that you can use. Or you can also go to your LinkedIn and then just export your LinkedIn profile into a PDF, and that's going to serve as your resume. So good luck in applying. Let's all start finding work now because I'm also in search for new work. So good luck to us.